Well, Sunday afternoon, about 77 degrees. It's windy enough, I feel like I'm in the Wizard of Oz. But we're gonna come to the west side here, a little behind these trees, help block the wind and throw some stuff out and see if we can get anything this afternoon. So wish me luck. Well, I'll try the same spot and see what happens. There's another one. Get up here. Well, crappie that time. All right, a little bigger. There's one. Don't know what it is, but we're gonna get this puppy on the bank. Well, that didn't take too long. Nice little dog there. Back you go. Try a little further out on that side. Another one. Don't know what it is. That might be a bass. Oh, crap. That was a decent sized bass too. Oh, that's a monster. That's a monster. But fish is fish. There's one. Get up here. Get up here. Well, hey, a fish is a fish. Back you go. There's another one. Get up here. Okay. Oh, it's not a bad sized crappie. Back you go. That was right there. Okay, let's try this again. There we go. Get over here. No, you're coming out. Gotcha that time. I gotcha that time. Yeah, third time's a charm. Not a bad little fish. Okay, back you go. Well, the wind picked up. It's just too much right now. That and I'm out of time. So, caught a few tonight. One decent one that got away, but hey, at least I caught more fish than my son tonight. Of course, he wasn't here, but that's irrelevant. Try to look on the positives. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good one, and hope to see you on the next one. I'm out.